Hello dear friend. Welcome to Zigzag Coin Action. 1985 France 20 centimes coin value. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we've got something special for you. The 1985 France 20 centimes coin. You might be wondering, is this coin just spare change? Or a hidden treasure? Well, stick around because we're about to uncover its value. Friends, before we dive into its value, let's briefly explore the historical significance of this coin. The 20 centimes coin was part of France's pre-euro currency system, used until 1999. This particular coin features Marianne, the symbol of the French Republic, on one side and the denomination on the other. Friends, now, let's get to the exciting part, its value. The worth of any coin depends on several factors, such as rarity, condition, and demand among collectors. Friends, check for any special mint marks or variations. Certain variations may be rarer and, therefore, more valuable to collectors. Dear friends, next, assess the coin's condition. Is it circulated with signs of wear and tear? Or is it in pristine, uncirculated condition? The better the condition, the higher its potential value. Friends, listen now. Let's talk numbers. In circulated condition, a 1985 France 20 centimes coin may not be worth much more than its face value. However, if you have one in excellent, uncirculated condition with unique features, it could be more valuable. Friends, to get an accurate estimate of its worth, I recommend consulting a professional coin dealer or using online coin valuation tools. They can take all these factors into account to give you a more precise value. Lovely friends, so is your 1985 France 20 centimes coin a rare find or just spare change? It all comes down to those crucial factors: rarity, condition, and demand. Do your research and, who knows, you might just have a hidden treasure in your collection. Thank you for watching this video. If made any mistake, forgive me, subscribe for more coin info. Thanks.